the first to know. Nsem-Pii TV.
Now, the 2024 general elections. For the presidential, results are able to draw the margin of victory. Yinano Diadansi say na Ghana for aye crado. Say overwhelmingly, omo support. Ebema, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Say on sign emeye mampenyini na omidi omaiso. Now for the parliamentary there, nchino show ba constituencies ni bebre no ano. Nsem eba ho yehunu say coalition koso in some of the constituencies ya na say said there earlier on na declaration aye no ensesanye sabaye yehunu bi won sawom ado agiri ye papa anodom pre ho yehunu bi ewusuhum yehunu bi wo ka akwe ya ewi akire no baba Sadiq elusu seat no edema de honorable Patrick Boama ebo bebrebe ena in fact a course na anche ena sawoma doagiri to be specific the NDC candidate Fume Selom Philbert any the legal team edekodan de kofori dua High Court say pink sheeter yede ye recoalition Emma the honorable Anodom Pre ebeji seat ni back no pink sheet ni nyina eye fake pink sheet no eye altered pink sheet no enya original enti court and set aside recoalition a course Emma the honorable Frank Anodom Pre ebeye member of parliament edema sawoma do agiri na owie no ena o say seal the electoral commission enso edeka ho now High Court ya na omu enya the honorable Anodom Pre enam the jumedia na odi o mrahye badwam ne sa nti no on Tuesday February the 25th High Court SFO substituted service compelling the honorable Frank Anodom Pre and the electoral commission and the clerk of parliament to appear before the Koforidua High Court in the matter of the election petition filed by the National Democratic Congress. Ya no mo kire say a wrong declaration and I hear in honor of the honorable Anodom Pre. Enti ya ni nukwani ni substituted service no adwuma ema the honorable Anodom Pre, the electoral commission, the clerk of parliament were duly served. Said ye Ghana emra etie. Enti no ene edai ena na was a Koforidua High Court eko asetena in this case. Now, interestingly, yebu asem na wie. Asem na anko two sittings kra. For the first sitting, yebu asem na wie. The High Court to chiremu a, the NDC ambe file this case led by omo parliamentary candidate Fume Selom Philbert no. Oman to me and provided a single share of evidence to support their claim say pink sheet na ye recollation ma the honorable Anodom Pre ebe ye member parliament no. Pink sheet ni ye altered. Pink sheet in your fake. They couldn't provide a single evidence to that fact. It is just say, I am no kwa. And I know what they can answer no. Hence, Koforidua High Court, abo NDC himself not to go. The honorable Anodom Pre was duly elected and was duly declared the member of parliament for the Nsawam Adwajiri constituency. Have a court we no almost sign at the fine. I told the National Democratic Congress so for wasting the time of the court. And from the Koforidua High Court, the case involving the Honorable Anodom Pre and the NDC with respect to the 2024 parliamentary elections for the Nsawoma Duajiri constituency. No, it has been thrown away. The Honorable Anodom Pre has been declared the winner. Tiyan Kwani a video of Kwanya na Nsawoma Duajiri constituency. So chair. The Honorable Anodom Pre with the Koforidua High Court after this sweet victory.
untouchable. The mindset.
Vigilantes, vagabonds. Near Dwamako, Masa Yakuma Mpi on the Fiedao under NDC regime. Unimsa. Under NDC regime, that's what ya JB Dankwa ya bonu tuakunu.
Asante ma send okay.
Pictures no.
Ma send picture ni bi boys. Picture ni bi ama. Ba akudiem say so ye o de me ba ma me hwe na menye hoyi na.
Afred the young hwe the issues at hand. Asem na ye wurantim for do ye den. Ewrezi ye no. Asem ni nyina nse every premier no na ba Ghana na meboa.
No kra e say me sakra.
Very good. Now what can ye wurantim for do press ye? So what kind press conference now ye na? Or ye on behalf of the minority
caucus.
Yeah, me can't just a portion. Me can't just about 2 paragraphs from the press conference. No? Or see, on the matter of Emmet flight and Cargo Air private jet transporting suspected cocaine. Transporting suspected cocaine and cash. Ladies and gentlemen, on another security matter related to our airspace, the minority caucus called on national security to provide the content of a cargo suspected to be carrying out content, suspected to be cocaine and cash imported into the country by 2 suspicious flights, namely Emmet flight NH23 AM and Cargo Air private jet. AN12B, which landed at the tarmac of Kotoka International Airport on March 2025 from Gran Canaria and Iceland in Spain, and departed to the same Gran Canaria after the arrival. But language in Indian or say the national security should provide. The national security should provide details of the cargo a landing ya minority suspect say cocaine wom anamebo pacho me suspect bibia na me catch us say me details ya criminal element bi wom
Debi
ha masa samonti kroma na samonti brofo a na mutia wu a anasa bonina you have planned say in team for do mo be taking in life for there be prepared say mo be taking MPP ni be alive. The government should be prepared say we mo be taking MPP ni be alive na international community who the kind of government here e rule Ghana. Or say suspected cargo be abagana. Na sa suspected cargo no ye suspected say cocaine wom, until we are calling on the national security to provide details of that cargo. Pacho kwa no nchire mu nyina ne se omanya yetemu no flight bia ebe lande wo man Ghana national security won details. Say flight no ponche na gum, say nkukọ na gum, say dabu na gum, say nantwie na gum, say nipa na gum no national security wo ene Ghana Civil Aviation Authority. Na flight na eba ha ye ka ho asem no ye heda ye special flight ne say na duma ye ne say emfa
nipa
enya passenger flight
emfa nipa yare for
eye nipa ho akwa ne nipa oyare
ana say abusu
nipa bi wa brochire ana nipa bi wa Ghana yeso emergency si enya ani fofra na akoma fofra mfa nhyem obewu na flight na tu na ode akoma na yeden aba ye obi wo ha yeso nya kidney support kidney dia dawro obetimi yi ni dia de ma obi o ana meboa enti sa flight ye you kidney no na se wo far away a sa flight no enti se drone drone ya de ba Ghana bi nti ye you kidney na sa flight ne ya ye ne say ambulance na ye ambulance
straight or the beba
or de wo kidney na ye yi ne beba e dia ba be ma
is na no ya grandma yare na nka hwi
na hwi moja no hia ne ya twenda wuro de na e dia kwa kokum adwuma oyen eye ambulance enti flight na be lande ye no flight ne so amfa yarefo bi anyere amap Ghana wanfa moja bi anyere amma kroma wanfa obi hwene amma so obi hwena tu ana mede foforo ba beshem enti flight ne ye ambulance ya tambia ebetuo no na bia bibia sia eye emergency ana ode yarefo bi koba bi na mom sa flight we a eba Ghana no wanfa yarefo amma wanfa moja amaje obi kwa wa mama yehwe ne hu ya se flight na bedi nanum flight ne bedi nanum a na foforo ba be ka ho eno so de ba be ka ho na eno so wanfa moja ama wanfa ni ama wanfa mowra ama wanfa yarefo ama na one ne nyina atu dakoro ekoba bi o mo free buy
in fact first one buy no edi about first one about 22nd.
Yes.
About no about I think 21st.
Second.
22nd and a second MF ambulance. A buy no and no 2 year and no call Angola ho and a call Gran Canaria and no bar Ghana.
Be
or buy on walk on one family be uncle one fire for amma and no bed no buy all fiano and only way in me.
Yeah, it took boy.
It's not question any say. Again, na me bisa say, it say what the ambulance, 2 ambulance FUGMC. No abe park we dwum ha say. Na one be fani power hanko. No one fani panso FUGMC amaha. Na kesi ya na etuko kolebu. Na akojina kolebu a na asen etuko UGMC. If UGMC na asen
to testing.
What is happening?
Moya flying testing ana. Dawro, ne atia ne say. Yewura ntim fodwo ekasama MPP amanyoko e wo mrahye medwam donkuma no.
Yes.
Na nasemba bia ni wo ka say. Koken abu Ghana o. Me pe one statement NDC betim dia ba bontin say ntim fodwo said say Ghana aye cocaine country. Just one. Just one. Ebi no wasa. Ojina or minor freedom of speech sure and a be ne right to say Ghana ni minority right to say bibia ba na say fright we there efa eba etuko ba bia ekwo emergency na den na aba Ghana na nye emergency case na ode bae ye yesusu say wan kase cocaine na womo o se ye yesusu say suspected nko Masa, before ansana mube prove say yes no on the or suspect anamebo.
And
the one national security for no yes mumfa details mra adena besin ne or your press conference in a second anamebo or your press conference second April on behalf of the minority adena besin ne national security for Montimi and provide the details. Number 2, after the press conference, and Team Ford was sunny request or petition to the Defense Interior Committee.
Yes.
Sir,
yeah, press conference no. Now that's Siano Petutu and President Mahama. Ebema directive on the social media, so say. Or direct specific state institutions, they say NACOC, they say NIB, they say National Security Coordinator, Police CID, only in team for you and collaborating. Now, omunya investigation. I don't know in team for you the petition. Command chairman of the Defense Interior Committee say
issue one.
Chairman from meeting na fresh head of this institution in Abra. Nana will be ano.
Press conference no pacho oye ne fahin.
Oye ne Parliament.
Some minority ye press conference or parliament here. A baba ye part and passes of parliamentary proceedings. Umpo. Minority a converge your parliament house. near Momo crime or press conference here. A part and passes of parliamentary proceedings
and parliamentary immunity cover.
That is where I am coming from. Me say minority yep sankoyena outside parliament there and anka security for mu betima bam. I can say on authority say no security agency can arrest him for do. I am saying on authority. Say no security agency in this country and a betima arrest him. Because press conference, it was held in Parliament House. And why you know a Parliament House a baba part of the parliamentary proceedings. And so kind Article 115 of the Constitution now. Immunity of a member of parliament from parliamentary proceedings. Immunity of a member of parliament from whether civil or criminal ultimately taken on. Anti-agencies, whether national security, whether BNI, whether the police, they have no right to arrest in Team Fodwa because of minor Mrano and Momo Kwansa under Article 115. So, kind standing orders now. Section 22 and 23 of the standing orders of Parliament and Kasafa parliamentary immunity MPs.
Yes.
Say, one, MP can say more Parliament or can or Parliament House and I'm a boy.
Yes.
And to ultimate country, let me say, per the interpretation of Article 115, may understanding is say, all press conferences be our parliament. Parliament you
can't take him on.
You can't take on because you're in parliament. Proceedings in Chile speaker tenants in a konyamu and your proceedings. Now once Emrasebe Ganimbi Akasa on behalf of a group of members of parliament, and Baba part and parcel of parliament.
Sir Adia okay. Abaning him. Honorable Markins a press conference or parliament say Japanum call Bank of Ghana Governor Fino 10,000 cedis and jewelries are and the deputy attorney general no a press conference can say Honorable Markins himself 1 minute to a parliament inti it no Dimirica fee Bank of Ghana fee one can say no become parliament but they will know how to deal with them going forward. And you know, omonim say 115 no 117 no e cover MPs no say MP can some on the floor and within the
Parliament House of the Parliament part and parcel of the parliamentary proceedings.
Yes.
Why obi obema interpretation say lawyer ni bi obema interpretation say you can say parliamentary proceedings here. Parliamentary proceedings say a brand speaker tia dwama sa lawyer ni no wabon.
And even that on behalf of the minority caucus. And you know, in what capacity now we invite him?
We invite you. You don't even invite him through the minority leader.
No, you have to invite the minority caucus because it's also an open invitation there. Then you don't invite him because minority caucus.
You don't even invite them. You invite him through the speaker per the law. What you say?
Sure.
Because a parliamentary proceedings in our course. Why a press conference? Our Parliament House. Until many to no cover. And these lawyers now more fine. And now my dinner and these lawyers in our sister Kuku instead of Nipa Guinea Womutimno.
Oh, now and they send the
and your son, and your fair comment, or Bintimin Casse, or